Hi everybody, my name is Matt.Elliott and I'm here at Guaranty RV Super Centers today to show you a fantastic rig. I normally stick to the new stuff, but this is a brand new condition. It's gorgeous. It's a 14 Roadtrek RS Adventurous on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis. It's only got 24,000 miles on it, and I really like this van, so I wanted to show it to you. Let's take a look inside and I'll show you what it's all about. Follow me. Now, these diesel Mercedes Sprinters are extremely popular and they're really hard to come by used, especially the smaller companies like Roadtrek. They don't make very many vehicles, and to find a used one that's like this one's a 14 with super low miles, that's hard to come by. So it's a real catch when you can find one like this used, and most of the time they don't stick around very long. So if you see the video, be sure and call right away or it may already be gone. Okay, so here's the way it works in a Roadtrek. With this rig here, we've got a power sofa system in the very back, and this design is fantastic because it gives me choices. This is a fold down power sofa. I can push a button and it lays right down, so I can make a lounge out of it or a bed. I can have it be a dining area. I can use it for socializing. I have my TV and my home theater system back here. It's all together. One of the great things about this particular floor plan is because it does not have the shower on the driver's side of the vehicle, it gives us a whole bank of windows all the way down the side. So you may notice it seems pretty light and open in here. A lot of camper vans don't have that feeling. They feel very dark and congested inside, some of them, because there's a lot of cabinets. Well, this one's pretty darn open and I really like it. And it's still got a lot of cabinets. This has great storage all the way around. Now, Roadtrek has been a leader in the industry for many, many years, and they have some qualities that a lot of rigs don't have. For example, all of the cabinetry in here is solid plywood and it's all screwed together. It's very, very strong. You find an old Roadtrek, a really old one where the decals are coming off and the paint's faded and all that stuff, the cabinets are always still in great shape. And that's a cool thing about these guys. So as you can see here, also there's a screen in the back. So when I open the door, if I want, I can have fresh air coming in, no bugs. I like that a lot. There's some hanging storage right here. And then their bathroom design is right here. Now, this bathroom is dynamite. You can see it's like brand new in here. It's all fiberglass. It's very easy to care for. And when you're using it, the door latches big from inside. And when you're not using it, small. So you waste a lot less space in this coach. Again, I'm talking about the galley and the windows. It's very light and open. It doesn't feel congested at all in here. Plenty of height for a tall guy. It's great. Now this one's a 4-seater. Sometimes people think they don't want a 4-seater because they don't have 4 kids, and this will seatbelt 7 people, which is really makes it versatile. You can use this as a family hauler and an RV and a luxury vehicle. You can do everything with this. In fact, it'll even pull 5,000 pounds. It's got a really nice hitch on the back, and you can use it to pull your boat around. I have a lot of customers who do that. With the 4 chairs, it gives me a lot of places to be, a lot of living space. There's a table that drops right into the center here. I can swivel the 4 chairs to meet at the table, and we can all sit around and play cards or have a meal. Up front, it's all Mercedes. Power windows, power locks, tilt, cruise. Has the automatic transmission with the manual shift override, which is a great feature when you're coming down a big mountain pass and you don't want to ride your brakes all the way down. You just tap down your gears and you can compression brake all the way down. So the other thing about a Roadtrek I just want you to know is these guys were the industry leaders for many, many, many years. And now we've got some other companies coming into the market that are big companies that have the ability to produce more rigs. But the craftsmanship and the artistry in a Roadtrek is always the very, very highest. In fact, their new rigs have the longest warranty in the business, 6 years. So I've been dealing with them since 1992 personally, and I just think they're magnificent. Now, you can't beat a Roadtrek, you can't beat a Mercedes-Benz, so that's 2 great things coming together. Let's take a look around the outside. Now, one of the things about a B-van is it's small enough to use in town It's small enough to go into a big city where you have a lot of traffic and many lanes. So it's a great rig to travel because you can go into different environments and get wherever you want to go. I like to go to the little hole-in-the-wall type places that most people aren't looking to go to, but sometimes you got to go through Seattle to get there. So it's nice to have a vehicle that's real versatile like that. You'll notice that it's very beautiful. It doesn't have a lot of things bolted onto it. It's a narrow body, it's all steel. And this is another thing to point out. With this vehicle, there's no sidewalls that are made of laminates, there's no fiberglass, there's nothing to deteriorate. This is all steel, this is all Mercedes. It's got great hull integrity. It really handles good because of that too. Great suspension and handling. So let's walk down here. Now this also has Roadtrek's custom aluminum alloy wheels, which is a great option. It made them quite beautiful. Come around this side here and you can see what a tremendous amount of space and access there is. See, that goes clear back under the couch there. There's actually a trunk down here. All these rigs with all these extra batteries now don't have that space because the space is all gone, but this has more storage. Okay, and let's walk right down here. Another thing I really like about Roadtrek's, it has a macerator sewer system. And the beautiful thing about a macerator is that you don't have to get on your hands and knees to use it, and you don't have to carry around a 4-inch sewer pipe and put it here and then take it out and use it and then put it away and store it. It's all integrated. It's a 1-inch hose and it's built in. A macerator is a pump that grinds up everything in your tank and pumps it out for you. You don't have to worry about gravity. It's very clean. And also, I love the fact that their accesses down here don't have locks. This is not a storage compartment. There's nothing in here you need to protect from thieves. So you don't need to get down here and fumble around with your keys and stuff. It's fantastic. Well, that's a thumbnail sketch of our 2014 Roadtrek RS Adventurous. It's a beautiful rig. It's got low miles. I think you'd really like to see it. If you do, or you have a question, you can give me a call. My name's Matt.Elliott and my number is 541-954-8495. Thanks for watching the video. You have a great day.